Okay, so as you can see, we have our customer detail page created that shows our one record for customer ALFAA, the details of that. There's still more details that could be added. And then we wanted to show the orders for this particular customer. So we've got some orders listed, and then you can tell by the ship name that these orders do go with the company that was up here. So that's fine that we see that all works for that one customer, but the power of passing the customer ID as a URL variable is that if we go back to our page with all our customer list, now we should be able to click on other customers. So I can pick on Anton here, and we go to this page and we see that the customer ID Anton goes to Antonio Morena Taqueria, and we can see this company has 7 orders in the table. So we can see that. If we go back, we can pick another customer in the list. We get the details for that customer, and we can see this customer has a lot of orders. So it went through and pulled all the orders for that particular customer. So that's the power of creating a page that takes a parameter as part of the URL for the page, because now this one page is dynamic and can show data for whichever customer ID we pass in. Now, one thing I should make you aware of is we haven't added any code for making sure that the customer ID used up here is actually a customer ID in the system, and we're not hiding it in any way from the user. So it is possible for a user to come up here to this URL and just type in a code that may not exist in the system and hit enter, and then we can see at the very least our code is strong enough that it'll print the ID that they typed in up here, but we see we just get an empty table for the customer details, and we get an empty table for the orders. So everything works out pretty well. It's just that if they don't play nice with our system and pick the links that we provide, then they're just going to get a page with a bunch of empty data.